Hi everyone, myself Mahendra. Today we are going to talk about the steps to run the WRF model in order to generate forecast at mesoscale level. In the last video, we have seen how to install packages or libraries on local Linux machine which are required to run the WRF model. Also, we have successfully configured, compiled WPS and WRF. After successful compilation of WPS, you must be able to see GeoGrid ungrep and madegrep exe files inside the WPS directory. Also, in the main directory of WRF folder, you must have exe files like ndown.exe, real.exe, tc.exe, wrf.exe after successful compilation of WRF. Now let's discuss the further steps to run WPS and WRF. The WRF model is mainly classified into 5 parts. First, input dataset. Second, WPS and or WRF preprocessing system. Third, actual code of WRF model. And the fourth one is the post-processing of WRF output. Now discuss each part of the WRF model in detail one by one. Part 1, input dataset. The WRF model requires two different types of dataset. One is WRF terrestrial or geographical, or we can say stationary dataset. It means the parameter which varies slowly or constant over a long period of time. Some examples are land use, land cover, soil type, topography, albedo and other various parameters. Second is the gridded data, which comes from the global weather model or from reanalysis daily at 00, 06, 12 and 18 UTC. Here are some examples who provides the gridded data: NSAFE, GFS, NSAFE, GADAS, NSAFE CFS2, NSAFE reanalysis, ECMWF and ERA 5. Now understand, why do we need a geographical and gridded data to run the WRF model? This is a global region and we are interested to make a forecast at higher spatial temporal scale in the domain which is highlighted by the red boundary. Inside this box or customized domain, the topography, presence of water bodies and forest and other surface features are obtained or interplotted from the geographical data. Without this data, model will not understand the surface features which directly affect the dynamics and thermodynamics of the atmosphere in the lower troposphere. Also, this data serve as a lower or bottom boundary condition for the model. Similarly, the obtained global model graded data provides initial values of basic parameters at surface and pressure levels like temperature, UV wind vector, humidity or others at customized domain grid. After interpolation shown by blue dots, This tells the model what is the initial state of the atmosphere in order to start the forecast, and also this data act as a lateral or horizontal boundary conditions for the model. Now the next question, from where to get this data? The terrestrial and historical data you can download from WRF page itself. The links for the terrestrial data set is given here, and for gridded historical data is given here. If you are interested to use real-time gridded data, then you can use real-time data link to download the real-time data. Okay. Now I will show you in the browser where to locate this data. If you search WRF in Google, you will see WRF page, then open it. Once it open, on the right there is an option called WRF ARW user page. Click on it and open that page. Once you reach that page, go to the option download and click on the option WPS geographic static data. From this page you can download all the necessary geographical or terrestrial data required for the WRF model. For historical grid data, you can go to download. Inside there is last option, input data for WRF. Once you open it, you will see list of gridded data set with their information like horizontal resolution, temporal resolution, availability for a period. You can download as per your interested data set. Suppose if you are interested to use NCEP GFS data, then click on it. It will take you to the new page, which is a RDS server page, where you will find all available historical data that can be used for WRF model. For real-time dataset, you may visit the link which is given. If you visit that, it will look like this. Here you will find last 10 days data. If you are interested to use the data, then choose your choice of date, then go inside that folder. You will find there are folders as per the UTC. As I told you, daily data is available at 4 different UTC: 0, 00, 06, 12 UTC, and from that particular directory you can download your appropriate data to run your WRF model. This is all about the part first, input datasets, which used to run WRF model. The subsequent parts of the WRF model we'll discuss in the next video. Let me know your feedback or any questions about part 1 in the comment. Thank you.